Greetings, my name is David Sexton. I live in Virginia, and let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am 54 years old. I was married 35 years ago to a lovely wife. Her name is Pamela. She's a registered nurse. She's my support, and she's the anchor of our family. We have four fantastic children. I have two sons and two daughters. My oldest son is in the United States Navy. He's a Lieutenant JG on board the USS New York. His wife is named Ashley, and he has two children, giving me two grandchildren, two little girls, Renee and Isabel. I have a daughter. She is currently going to school, working toward a CPA. She is also married. Her husband's in the Air Force. They live in Georgia. And she has also given me two grandchildren, Adalee and Harlan. I have another daughter who has graduated high school. She's working on her junior year in college at Liberty University, working toward a degree in psychology with a minor in American Sign Language. I have my final son, who is a senior in high school, who plans on going to Liberty University, and he's going to try studying in physical therapy, and we'll see where that goes. I'm currently working on my educational technology degree. I hope to take this course and work toward my master's and try to improve my understanding of the technology side of the field of education. You can kind of see that there's an educational slant toward technology in Liberty Christian Academy, where I currently teach. I teach earth science and environmental science. We use iPads individually. Each student has one. And that's kind of the writing on the wall to help me to understand that I need to prepare myself for the upcoming technological future. I have 4 classes left, including this one, to complete my master's degree, and I'm hoping to finish that up. And once I finish that, then we'll see what doors open. I may continue to work toward my doctorate, or I may just be comfortable in the fact that I've earned my master's. As a teacher, some of my hobbies are related directly to the school. I coach football and soccer. I've been coaching football since I was back in the Navy many, many years ago, back in the early 90s and late 80s. I've been coaching soccer since my oldest son was 5 years old. I took that up to be a part of his life, and I've been coaching ever since. Looking at an actor that would play me in a movie is very, very difficult. I've actually pondered about this quite a bit, and looking at the current crop of actors out there, I really couldn't find anybody that I thought reminded me of myself. So I looked back in time, and used to be a TV show on called Bonanza, and before that it was called Ponderosa. There was an actor by the name of Dan Blocker who played the character Hoss on Bonanza. He's a little bit taller than I am, but he's got a body build structure similar to mine. He's bald-headed, but he's a mellow kind of fellow. And as far as someone who kind of personifies who I think of myself, it would probably be him. Well, that's my introduction. I hope you found it at least entertaining, if not informative. And I hope you enjoy this course.